Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Kitab Shala, a series platform for talented and ambitious individuals keen on boosting their wisdom and knowledge portfolio. If diving into books feels like a challenge, you are in the right place. Today, I will break down the 7 key lessons from the book Do It Today in under 7 minutes. Do It Today by Darius Fox is a compelling and pragmatic guide that skillfully addresses the pervasive issue of procrastination. The author provides readers with a roadmap for conquering inertia and embracing a proactive approach to life. Through straightforward advice and actionable tips, the author dismantles the barriers to productivity and time management, offering a refreshing perspective on seizing the present moment. The book is a treasure trove of practical wisdom, encouraging readers to break free from the shackles of delay and make meaningful changes to their daily routines. The author's writing style is engaging and relatable, making complex concepts accessible to a broader audience. The emphasis on taking immediate action resonates throughout the book, inspiring readers to translate insights into tangible results with a keen focus on empowering individuals. The author cultivates a mindset that prioritizes effectiveness over efficiency, fostering lasting habits for personal and professional success. Do It Today stands out as an indispensable resource for anyone seeking to transform procrastination into purposeful action, ultimately reshaping their approach to time and productivity. Here are 7 galvanizing lessons from this book. Lesson number 1: the power of immediate action. The author highlights how doing things right away is super powerful. The book says it's crucial to not wait around but to start tasks quickly. It's all about not putting things off. The idea is to get things done today instead of later. By following this advice, people can get into a groove and finish more stuff. It's like a way to keep the ball rolling and be more successful. So, the key is to act fast and not let things wait. This way, you can achieve more and avoid putting things off. Lesson number 2: dissecting tasks into practical steps. The author suggests a cool idea in Do It Today. Instead of tackling big tasks all at once, break them into smaller steps. This makes things way easier to handle. The book gives real-life tips on how to deal with feeling swamped by concentrating on just one step at a time. It's like making a big job less scary by taking it one piece at a time. By doing things, you can begin tasks more easily and actually finish them. So, the trick is to chop up big tasks into smaller, doable steps for a smoother ride. Let's understand it with one example. Imagine you have to write a big research paper. Instead of tackling the whole thing at once, break into smaller steps. On day 1, choose a topic. On day 2, create an outline. On day 3, write the introduction. On day 4 to 6, work on body paragraphs one at a time. On day 7, craft the conclusion. On day 9 to 8, edit and refine. By doing it step by step, the task becomes more manageable, making it easier to start and finish. Isn't that amazing? Lesson number 3: prioritizing and time management. In Do It Today, the author dives into the smart moves of picking what to do first and managing time well. The book talks about cool ways to figure out and handle the most important tasks. The author gives tips on how to spot and take care of high priority stuff so you can spend time on what really counts. It's like a guide to making sure your energy goes into the things that matter the most. So, the book is all about being clever with your time, focusing on the important stuff and getting things done the right way. Let's understand it with one example. Let's say you have a list of tasks for the day. Instead of randomly picking, Do It Today suggests: number 1, identify priority, that is morning. Figure out the most crucial task for the day like a work deadline. 2, focused work, that is midday. Spend the prime hours working on that priority when your energy is high. Number 3, delegate or postpone in the afternoon, that is handle less important tasks or delegate if possible. Number 4, reflect and adjust in the evening, that is evaluate what you have accomplished, adjust priorities for the next day. By prioritizing and managing time this way, you ensure the important stuff gets your best energy and attention, leading to more effective and efficient work. Lesson number 4, curbing distractions. In this book, the author talks about how distraction can mess with getting things done. The book gives useful tips on cutting down interruptions and setting up a space where you can really focus. It's like a guide to creating a work zone where you won't get sidetracked. The author wants readers to be able to concentrate on tasks without things getting in the way. So, the idea is to get rid of distraction, make a focused work area, and get stuff done without any unnecessary hiccups. Lesson number 5. Developing consistent habits. The author really thinks it's super important to make habits that you do all the time. In Do It Today, the book talks about setting up regular routines that match your goals. It's like creating habits that stick around for the long run. The author helps readers figure out how to make habits that keep them productive and growing personally. So, the book is all about building habits that go hand in hand with what you want to achieve, making it a steady and lasting way to be successful. Lesson number 6. Overcoming perfectionism. The author takes on the tough stuff of wanting everything to be perfect and being scared of making mistakes. The book says it's okay to not be perfect and tells readers to accept it. The author thinks it's better to learn from mistakes and just do things even if they are not perfect, instead of waiting for everything to be just right. It's like a push to take action even if it's not flawless. So, the idea is to get over the need for perfection, learn from mistakes, and take action without waiting for things to be absolutely perfect. Lesson number 7. Promoting a cheerful outlook. In Do It Today, the author talks a lot about how having a positive mindset is key to beating procrastination. The book dives into how changing the way you see things, staying optimistic, and keeping a can-do attitude can help you get motivated and the more productive. It's like a guide to thinking in a positive way to get things done. The author believes that having the right mindset is a big part of beating procrastination and being successful. So, the book is all about cultivating a positive way of thinking that fuels your motivation and productivity. In conclusion, Do It Today is a pragmatic and motivational guide for those looking to overcome procrastination and enhance their productivity. Darius Farag's straightforward approach and actionable advice makes this book accessible and applicable to individuals seeking positive changes in their daily lives. Whether you are aiming for personal or professional development, Do It Today offers valuable insights and practical strategies to help you seize the present moment and achieve your goals. Think of this book as your treasure chest of knowledge, but here's the twist. It's not just about stuffing your brain. It's about unleashing that wisdom into your life. Books are not just givers, they are transformers. It's not what you take from a book, but what magic books draw out from you. It's time to turn those insights into action. Thank you and see you in the next video.